It's not only about how we move our arms, it's how we use our ears, our eyes, and our heart. So it's all combined in one thing. It's a wonderful thing to do.
You need to be here. This is an amazing opportunity. This is the best experience I've ever had from a musical standpoint and from a learning standpoint.
Well, what took place was a really incredible week with young conductors and not so young conductors. We had the privilege of working with a fantastic Marine band.
We had the great opportunity of essentially helping be the lab band for all the conductors.
The one suggestion that I have for you is that when you get to the peak of the phrase, carry through the phrase. And what we tried to do was give them a more broad vocabulary of gestures so that they could learn to say more, and what I call unlock the inner musician.
Out of what sounds like sadness, but it's really a praise.
Yeah, that's right. It's joyful.
It's joyful the whole way through.
Pretty heady stuff.
And the trick is to play this instrument the way you play your instrument. And that is incredibly difficult. You know, we have to feel that to really get to the guts of this, because man, you know, this makes me want to go fight.
If your arm starts to hurt, there's one of two things that are happening. Either the tempo is not where you want it to be and you're fighting, or you're over-conducting. One of the two.
You will improve because there's so much knowledge and wisdom that's being shared, not only by the clinicians, but by the musicians, by your fellow colleagues. And you start creating all these amazing relationships that you'll take away that'll extend beyond these past couple of days.
Because the atmosphere, every educator is here, shares some of the same problems and some of the same passions. So just being with other people and sharing ideas is invaluable.
To take a chance. I think these environments are all about taking some risks. You kind of bring yourself, your whole self into this, and you say, this is me, help me shape me in a better version by the time you leave.